Do you feel stuck? Every time you try to speak English out loud, you are not alone. Speaking a new language can feel scary, especially when you do not have anyone to practice with. What if I told you there is a simple way to practice every day? In this video, I will show you how to use a mirror to practice. With just a few minutes each day, you will notice real progress. I will guide you step by step on how to start today. Why is this technique so effective? First, you can see your movements and expressions. Your face, body language, and eye contact are important for communication. Watching yourself helps you feel more comfortable. Second, hearing your own voice in a new language makes it feel more familiar. With practice, your voice will sound more natural. You do not need a teacher, just you, your reflection, and dedication. Imagine yourself standing in front of the mirror. You take a deep breath, look into your own eyes, and say, "Hi, my name is Sarah. I live in Lisbon, Portugal, and I'm learning English because I love meeting people from other countries. In my free time, I enjoy reading novels and cooking different dishes. My favorite book is Harry Potter because I love stories full of magic." Now, you pause for a moment, smile at your reflection, and adjust your posture. Then you try again. "Hello there, I am Sarah. I live in Portugal, in a city called Lisbon. I love learning new things, and right now I am focusing on improving my English skills. When I am not studying, I like cooking, especially Italian food, and I enjoy spending time with my cat, Luna." Feeling a bit more confident, you change the introduction a little to reflect a different situation, imagining you are meeting someone online. "Hey, I am Sarah. I love learning English, and I think it is a great way to connect with people around the world. I also enjoy watching TV shows. Stranger Things is my favorite right now. What about you? What shows do you like to watch?" Then you decide to rehearse for a more professional setting, pretending you are in a virtual meeting. "Good morning, my name is Sarah. I am currently working as a graphic designer, and I specialize in creating visual content for small businesses. I have been in this field for about 5 years, and I love how design helps communicate ideas. In my free time, I enjoy learning English because it opens new doors for personal and professional growth." Next, you shift to a casual setting, pretending to meet a new friend at a social event. "Hi, I am Sarah. Nice to meet you. I live here in Lisbon and I enjoy exploring new restaurants around the city. Do you like trying new foods too? I also love photography and often spend weekends taking pictures in nature. It is such a relaxing hobby." You adjust your voice, trying out a cheerful tone, and say, "Hello, my name is Sarah and I love traveling. I have been to Argentina and Chile, and I am planning my next trip to Europe. I am learning English to make my travels easier and meet new people along the way. Do you like traveling?" Finally, you try an introduction focused on future goals. "Hi, I am Sarah, and my goal is to become fluent in English. I practice every day because I want to be able to read books and watch movies without subtitles. One day, I hope to study abroad and experience life in a different country." After practicing these different versions, you feel more comfortable with your voice, posture, and expression. Each time you repeat an introduction, it feels smoother and more natural. With daily practice, speaking English becomes less intimidating and you begin to enjoy it more. You have come a long way, showing that you want to improve your English. Now it is time to take action. Do not wait. For the perfect moment, start your journey to confidence. Right now, the key to learning any skill is consistency. With just a few minutes of mirror practice every day, you will see real results. Imagine introducing yourself in English without hesitation. Think about how great it would feel to speak with new people online, at events, or in job interviews. That confidence is within your reach. You just need to start today. If you need help, revisit this video. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others learning English. Let us support each other. Leave a comment with your first introduction. I would love to see it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, keep speaking and believe in yourself.